here we go. Although you do love fastbacks.
I love fastbacks. Something about those big bottom girls. More rare items out here at the Classic Auto Mall. And soon you'll be seeing cars, I promise. I'm going around looking for rare parts. God bless America.
Very interesting. You're not going to be getting
This is called restored, and this is called patina. Patina is to the, basically, some call it surface rust, some call it patina. It's all to the eyes of the beholder. You either love it this way, or you want it restored. After you buy it, it's your option. Authentic Chevy. Tribute car. And Ford. Dun, dun, dun. Look at this. How cool is this vehicle? And it's for sale too. Look at that. Look at that. I'm trying to show you guys a really big selection of cars today. I'm working on keeping it interesting. You can always give me feedback. I'm open to it. I'm also trying to move the camera slower. It's supposed to be the Chevy room. I don't know how that replica ended up here. Sorry, tribute car. That's a Ford. All right, we're gonna go outside. Big turnout here today. A lot of people, a lot of activity, a lot of rare stuff. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna forge outside, and it looks pretty wet out there. Oh, wrong door. Hello, gentlemen. All right, going outside. Oh, I see an umbrella. Oh man, it's wet and miserable, but we're going for it. Here we go. It's raining on us, so I'm gonna go out here real quick and then find a spot to smoke a cigar and chill out. Hopefully this will pass by. If not, it's probably gonna be short-lived. I want to see all these barn finds. Ed told me that. A lot of cool people here. It's raining right now. They're saying it's gonna clear up. But I'm going to show you some cars anyway, and then we're going to go tuck into the mall and look around for a while. Or I'm going to try to find some place to smoke a cigar, if you know what I mean. So let's talk about VEGA. You ready? Anybody want a VEGA? Check this out. VEGA, for sale. Hasn't even been taken off the trailer. Maybe the trailer's for sale too, I doubt it. But there's a VEGA. It says 327 Regalia. And she's definitely a semi-barn find. Seat's broken. 75 VEGA CP G plus V8 327 turbo 350 ratchet shifter. Okay, somebody's gotten the custom. 12-bolt rear and 7500, and there's a phone number. So if you want that VEGA, act now, because it might sell quick for somebody that loves Vegas and wants something fast.